Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a few basics first. An updated WhatsApp and location permission enabled. Once done, open the chat with the person or group you want to share with. Tap the attach or plus icon next to the message field. This starts the process. Make sure your phone's GPS is on and has a clear view of the sky for best accuracy. You're not done yet, but you've placed the first call to action. Open attachments and pick location to move to the next step. You'll now see a map view and two choices: send current location or share live location. Tap Share Live Location to broadcast movement in real time. Next, pick how long you want to share: 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, because this balances privacy and usefulness. You can also add a short message so recipients know why you're sharing. Once you press send, WhatsApp streams your GPS to the chat until the timer ends or you stop it manually. When you want to stop, open the chat and tap Stop Sharing on the live location card. This ends the broadcast immediately. Make sure recipients can see movement on the map. If not, check that battery saver or location permissions aren't restricting background updates. If location seems frozen, force close and reopen WhatsApp, toggle location services off and on, and reboot the phone if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: enable background location permission for WhatsApp so live updates continue even when the screen is off or the app is minimized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.